Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring a new AI tool called MindVideo.ai. It's a super cool platform that turns text into videos. Let's dive in. This is the MindVideo homepage, and today we'll walk you through how to sign up, explore the dashboard, and create our own text-to-video project. First, in the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Login for free. Click on that. You can easily sign up by logging in with your Google account. Just click the Google button and you're in. Now, you're on the main dashboard of MindVideo.ai. Here, you can explore what others have created and start your own project. Let's take a look at some cool videos other users have generated. As you can see, people are creating amazing content using simple text prompts. Pretty impressive, right? On the left side, you'll see a menu. Click on the text-to-video option to start creating your own video. Here, you'll want to select the soraai free option. It's completely free, so no need to worry about any charges. Let's keep it simple. Now, paste your text prompt into the box. For this video, I'm using a fun idea. Once you've entered your prompt, click Create, and the magic happens. Now, all we have to do is wait a few moments while MindVideo works its AI magic. It's pretty fast, so let's check out the final result. And here it is. The Lion King's wild DJ party in full swing with animals dancing, the lion DJ spinning, and everything coming to life right before our eyes. So there you have it. Creating videos with MindVideo.ai is super easy and fun. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to MindVideo.ai and start turning your ideas into awesome videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more AI tool tutorials and fun projects like this. See you in the next video.
Who's feeling wild tonight?